Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, again we are going to learn few more rules of verb agreement. So let us start. The 13th rule is that these words like pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs, in this we have to use plural verb only. And if the word pair has been used in a sentence like pair of scissors, pair of trousers, then we have to use singular verb. Like you can see, the pants are torn into two. As we have used pants, that's why the plural verb has to be written here, that is are. But the next sentence, the pair of scissors has been written, so a singular verb, that is was, has been used in this sentence. The next rule of verb agreement is that certain nouns, though plural in form but are singular in meaning, therefore they take a singular verb. Like mathematics. Mathematics noun, it looks that it is plural, but the meaning of mathematics is singular. That's why singular verb is has been used in this sentence. Similarly, the latest news. The news word looks like that this is plural, but this is singular in sense. That's why singular verb is has been used in this sentence. The next rule is that when the word is preceded by a, it takes a plural verb, and when it is preceded by the, it takes a singular verb. Like an example, a number of students are waiting outside. Here, a has been used and preceded. So that's why a plural verb has been used, that is are, in a sentence. While in the next sentence, the number of students has been written here. That's why a singular verb is written in a sentence. So the next rule is when fractions are used in a sentence, then the verb agrees with the object of the phrase. As we can see in example, one half of the cake. One half is a fraction and the object is cake, and cake is singular. That's why a singular verb is to be used, that is was, in a sentence. In the next sentence, 1/4 of the employees. Here 1/4 is a fraction and employees shows that they are in plural. That's why plural verb where has been used in this sentence. The next rule is that there are some nouns which may be singular or plural in meaning, like athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular, while when the noun refers to the activity of individuals within a group or to varied activity, it is plural. Now see the example. Gymnastics is very popular among girls. So here gymnastics is an organized activity, and that's why the verb is plural in this sentence, that is. In the next one, the gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. That means here we are talking about the individual activity of gymnastics team. That's why the plural verb has been used in this sentence. The next rule is that the name of a country is always regarded as singular. Like the Bahamas has beautiful beaches. So the singular verb is used when a name of a country has been present in a sentence. Similarly, in the Philippines is a wondrous place. Here also singular verb has been used in this sentence.